In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a duplicate Mailerlite landing page. This is really helpful when you already have a landing page that's working well, and you want to reuse the same layout, design, or settings without building everything from scratch. Instead of recreating each section, you can simply duplicate the page and then tweak the copy, images, or form settings as needed. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head over to your main dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation bar and find the section labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're inside the Sites area, you'll see different options for forms and pages. Make sure you select the Landing Pages section. This is where all of your existing landing pages are stored and listed. Next, you'll need to find the specific landing page you want to copy. Scroll through your list of landing pages and look for the title or thumbnail that matches the page you want to duplicate. If you have a lot of pages, it might help to quickly scan the names you've given them, or use any available search or filter tools to narrow things down. Take a moment to be sure you've selected the correct page, especially if you use similar names or designs. Once you've located the page you want, move your cursor over that landing page's thumbnail. You should see a small menu icon appear, usually represented by 3 vertical or horizontal dots, often called the More or 3 dots menu. Click on that icon to open the options related to this specific landing page. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take. Look for the option labeled Duplicate. When you click Duplicate, Mailerlite will automatically create a copy of that landing page. This duplicate will typically appear in your list with a similar name, sometimes with copy or a number added to it so you can tell it apart from the original. From there, you can open the duplicated page, rename it to something clear and descriptive, and start editing the content, design, and settings. This method saves time, keeps your branding consistent, and makes it easy to build out multiple campaigns based on a proven layout.